Morning again. I'm sure while Mr. Srinivasan and Mr. Rajgopal, both of them commented that probably they are not the right choice and I have done a mistake, I'm sure you would ratify that I have not done the mistake. It has been extremely inspiring, and I'm sure that in their journey of excellence, they have thrown away some small tits and bits to us, which would be of great and immense benefit to us. Thank you very much, sir. I must thank Mr. Raman and KPMG for the survey and the survey conduct and the survey report that has come in. And the insights from the survey is immense for the organizations who are in various journey of excellence. A summary of survey report is available to you in your conference kit. A detailed survey report would be made available post-conference through a downloadable link for which you would be notified about that. Mr. Srinivasan has touched upon some of, maybe on the face value it might look little unorthodox, but excellence is all about that. Doing whatever I have been doing all these days does not necessarily make me an excellent, might make me an expert. There's a difference between being an expert and being an excellent. I think there are a couple of points that is of immense use for all of us. The single-minded focus, irrespective of methodology that we choose, I think is extremely necessary to become excellent, whether it is an individual, team, or organization. Again, since he is fond of cricket example, I would like to definitely share. I think it is that focus that enabled India's first World Cup victory. A down-under team, none of them known to be world-recognized member cricket player, but we went on to win the World Cup. And I think it is the single-minded focus that made the magic over there. The examples of excellence through entrepreneurship, I think, is very inspiring, and we must have a good takeaway from there. I thank you for your address, sir. I thank you for your presence here. Mr. Rajgopal, I think he has literally summarized the day's proceeding in an excellent manner, in such a way that I think it has touched all of us. I thank you, sir, for making the session so inspiring, and definitely the example of Lance Armstrong is extremely inspiring, extremely inspiring. I am sure many of the people sitting in this room, and definitely me, is going to read about his biography. I find it amazing. It's necessary to understand that. There are a couple of points which is very interesting that he said about the choice that we make. Excellence is a matter of choice. I cannot help but recollect what Deming said to Japanese in early 60s. He said, survival is optional. So choice is ours to be excellent, to be best. And most of us would recognize that Japanese product, etc., in early 60s was an synonym to cheap product. Many of you who like seeing Hindi songs or Hindi movies would recollect the famous Raj Kapoor's Sri 420, Mera Juta Hai Japani, Sar Pe Lal Topi, Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani. The juta shown, Japanese juta, was torn to the thread. And that is the resemblance of the quality of Japanese product at that period. And all this is because they had no option and they chose the path of excellence than to lose their survival. I think you have made an excellent point, sir, that it's a choice that we make, and we can choose to be excellent or not to be excellent. But while chosen to be excellent, Japanese didn't do it just for selling an additional container load to outside world. And I think they created A world of quality, a synonymous to the quality. A Japanese word today is synonyms to quality. And that is because they pursued over the choice that they made. And today we all treat their methods, learn from their methodologies of quality and excellence journey in a great manner. And we all know that Deming's Award, which is provided by JUSA, is one of the most sought after award by all automotive industry. So I think it's the choice that makes the difference. Thanks a lot for reminding that, sir. The another important point that he made is the joy of the work. Excellence can happen only when we enjoy what we do. We have a joy and pleasure in what we do. The passion will lead to that joy. Absence of joy would only mean that I am doing mechanical job, a recursive job, which cannot create anything good. Forget about doing it good for outsider, it can't do good to me itself. And most importantly, I think he has given us a warning note that the only way, probably there are many ways of achieving excellence, but the only way of losing excellence is distraction. I think it's an immense point. I must thank you on behalf of everyone here for some of these points which gives us a great wisdom from your personal life. I thank you, sir. I thank one and all for having given a patient hearing to all of us, and I hope the session was useful and enjoyable to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.